the JBL Partybox 310, JBL Partybox 1000, JBL Partybox 710, and the JBL Partybox Ultimate. Hello guys, my name is Luca from AudioTribe YouTube channel, and in this video we will make an unboxing with the JBL Partybox Ultimate, and we will make a sound test at the end. So I paid for it around $1,700, and it should be the best JBL Partybox on the market. As you can see, the box is very big, and of course the speaker is very heavy. It doesn't say how much kilograms it has, but believe me, it is very heavy. So the easiest way to take out a JBL Partybox from the box is just like this. Open the box and just put it with the face down. A very big box. Let us see what is inside the box. The power cable and the manuals that no one read. Quick start guide. Now let's see the speaker. Okay, so this is the brand new JBL Ultimate. We have the cable. I think it is 1.5 meters. On the back you will find here the place where you should plug in, and this is the place where you can store your cables, and this is the input board. As you can see, aux in and out, daisy chain, the USB where you can charge your phone. I will place the Ultimate here because I want to turn on the other JBL Partyboxes. So the first one is the JBL Partybox 310, JBL Partybox 1000, JBL Partybox 710, and the JBL Partybox Ultimate. As you can see from all of these speakers, the JBL Partybox Ultimate was the first one that started up. So the Partybox Ultimate, it is much faster than the old JBLs. As we can see, here we have the small JBL Partybox 310 that has two tweeters and two 6.5-inch woofers. Here we have the JBL Partybox 1000 that it is my preferred. We have two 7-inch woofers, one tweeter, and on the bottom of the speaker we have a 12-inch big subwoofer. On the left we have the JBL Partybox 710 that has two 8-inch woofers and two tweeters, and the brand new JBL Partybox Ultimate that has two 9-inch woofers and of course the tweeters. So what do you think about the size? All of these speakers have interactive light show, and as you can see from above, the JBL Partybox 1000 here. It has the DJ pad, that is much larger than the JBL Partybox Ultimate. The JBL DJ pad on the 710, it is very small, just like the JBL Partybox 310. So please tell me in the comments, which one do you like? Do you like the JBL Partybox Ultimate, the 710, the 1000, or the 310? Now I will gonna connect the JBL Partybox Ultimate with the phone and play a song to see how it will sound for the first time when you open the box. To connect the JBL Partybox Ultimate with the phone, just tap on the Bluetooth button that it is on top of the speaker and search at the Bluetooth menu for the JBL Partybox Ultimate. Now it is associated with the phone. I connected the JBL Partybox Ultimate with the phone, and now we're gonna play a bass boosted song at maximum level of sound. If you live at a house that have neighbors, this would be a problem. So in my test, the JBL Partybox Ultimate was loudest. The JBL Partybox 1000, it is very good because it has the 12-inch woofer on the bottom side, but for the price asked, the JBL Partybox 710 that is here in the back is the best price per value and per power, because the JBL Partybox 710 cost around $600 to $650. The JBL Partybox 1000, a brand new one, cost around $1,800, so it is way expensive than the JBL Partybox Ultimate, and the JBL Partybox Ultimate now cost around $1,200. So for $100 and $2,000, this is a beast of a party speaker. What kind of party speaker do you have? What do you think about this beast? Please tell me in the comments what do you think. Feel free to subscribe to AudioTribe YouTube channel, and please hit that like button. Cheers!